this video, I'll show you how to fix League of Legends not loading into the game. Start by opening Task Manager and heading to the Details tab. Click anywhere in the list, then press L to jump to items starting with that letter. Find League of Legends, end the task, and make sure every League of Legends process is closed. Press L again to locate Riot Client services as well, and end that too, which should fully close the Riot Client. Next, search for League of Legends, right-click it, and select Open File Location. In that folder, find Riot Client Services, right-click it, go to Properties, then Compatibility, and enable the two compatibility options there. Go back and navigate to Riot Games, then League of Legends, scroll down to League Client, and do the same thing. Properties, Compatibility, enable those same two options. Then scroll back up to leagueoflegends.exe and repeat it there as well. If you also have a shortcut on your desktop, apply the same compatibility settings to that shortcut too. Once that's all done, relaunch League of Legends, and you shouldn't run into this issue anymore. I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.